Welcome to Stock Charts Trading. If you're wondering where you can get great quality stocks at a good price, then you want to go to Zacks. Every day, Zacks gives you their #1 rated top mover for the day. And so right here, you have this little box, and inside this, you have 5 stocks that are top rated. Like VRTV, Zacks has a strong #1 rated, which it also is in an upward momentum right now. You can see that it's making higher highs, higher lows right in here, broke out and is confirming this uptrend. As you can see, it's up $3.60, almost 18%. It's a $20 stock. Let's take a look at the charts. All right, so here we are. We can see that we have a high up here of $62 and we have a low of $5, almost $6. And right now, today, it's $23. So is it 50% off from the highs? Yes. So we could use that as our first rule, 50% off the highs, buy in. Right now at $23.50, we could buy in. Or we could say that we have a resistance breakout right here. And so we've broke the channel. And so this also gives us the ability to get into this trade. So we have 2 setups of how you could get in. 50% off, we've confirmed that. Break the trend, we've confirmed that. So what would we look at doing? Well, if you go from 24-ish up to this 60 mark, that's 100% profit. You could take your profit, half of your profit here at $60, $62. You could hold that. What would you do? You would double your bottom from your low, which is $5, up to your high, which is $60. You would add another $50 to this $60 line right here, and basically take it up to about $100. I like that round even number of $100. So you could be getting into this trade at around $25. You could have your first target at 60, your second target at 100, be totally out of the trade. Right now, with the confirmation that you have a high quality stock, Zacks ranks it #1. You have huge volume coming into this thing off of the lows, coming back into the highs. All right, here we are again. We have OMP. It's an $11 stock. It's up almost 20% today, $18.85. We have a strong buy from Zacks. We have these higher highs, higher lows coming across right here at around $6. We have a support line, which gives us this bounce right here that we're seeing now coming up off of this $8, $9, $10 going upward. So what do we have? We have an upward trend with very good fundamentals at a great price. Let's take a look at the charts. All right, so what do we have? We have a high of $24. We have a low of just under $3. Right now, this is at around $11.50. And so we are under our diagonal trade. So we've only got one option to be able to buy this. Are we 50% off from our highs, which were $24? Yes, because we're at $11.50. So we could get into this trade right now, right here. What would we do? We would take it up into our resistance and we would sell half. We would duplicate from $2 to $24, which is around $22, upward into that $50 range, and take the other half there. So we found 2 stocks that perfectly met our rules within this Zacks homepage. Right on the front, it tells us high quality stocks at the price range that we want to buy. All right, here we go again. We have AGEN. We have a strong buy. It's only $3.75. Could you afford a couple of these shares? Absolutely. What do we have? We have a range bound. Highs, lows, highs, lows. This is a little bit higher than this low back here. What do we have? We have a breakout at $3, which makes higher highs. What does it mean when we have higher highs? It means that we're performing a uptrend. So can you buy this at $3.75, just broke out into an uptrend? Let's look at the charts and see. All right, so here we are. We have highs of $10. We have lows right between this $2 range, so $1.50. And what do we have? We have this resistance breakout. So now old resistance becomes new support. So are we 50% off? Yes. $10 down to where we are below $4 is 50% off or more. If we buy right now and take this up into this resistance area, which we are hoping that we'd go back to the old highs, that would be 160% profit. Now, if we take from these lows up to these highs, which is about $9, we could put it on top of this $10 range, which should take us up into the $20 target, which would give us 160% where we could take off half and then duplicate that out. We're looking at almost 300% profit on this trade, getting in around $4. And it all started right here on Zacks homepage. Great quality stocks, great prices. Start using this as your trading tool.